Hi, my name is James Newman. I'm a solutions architect at Doculabs. And today I'd like to give you a demonstration of a solution we built specifically to help the staffing and professional services industry. In this demo, we will take a look at how Celonis can be used to optimize the Timecard-to-Cash process. Essentially, this process is where we have talent or resources out in the field working for specific clients, and the challenge that the staffing industries face is called the three-way match. This involves making sure that the time cards submitted by the talent match the contract terms we've agreed to with the client, and then that the invoicing also matches those terms and the time card. When they don't match, it leads to adjustments and a significant amount of rebilling. This impacts the cash flow and the operating costs of the staffing firm, in addition to having a negative impact on days sales outstanding. Our application will help you quickly diagnose problems and identify changes and solutions. Here you see the dashboard, which gives you high-level information breakdown on the two use cases and KPIs we're looking at. The first use case involves time card adjustments and focuses on the cost of the manual effort it takes to resolve those adjustments. The second use case revolves around credit rebill and the billing extension it takes to raise the credit limit of customers. This also impacts days sales outstanding. When we look at the Variant Explorer, we see that the number one path of the process accounts for 63% of cases and follows this path of the order being created, the assignment being created, the talent works, the staffing company receives the time card, and then two processes get kicked off. The first is the billing process, where the amount to pay the talent gets calculated, and then the invoicing process, where the amount to charge the client gets processed. Once we get paid and the talent gets paid, the process ends. Now this is fairly straightforward, but when we look at all of the variants, we see the typical spaghetti mess of a process that we want to use Celonis to optimize. So we dig further into the time card adjustments. We see cases where this happens where the hours exceed the typical amount for overtime or where the talent has already been paid. In this data set, 10% of the time cards were adjusted, leading to a cost of manual effort of $140,000. We want to dig in and figure out where this is happening. We can use the drill down table to look at the industry, and we see that financial services has 15.9% adjustments, and this leads to a cost of $34,000 simply for 700 adjustments. When we look at credit and rebill adjustments, the story is similar but a little different. This is where customers have to be notified that their credit limit is about to be exceeded, and we have to notify them. This occurs in 6% of cases and leads to a billing extension of 25 days. Now this can impact days sales outstanding, and again we want to figure out where that is worse, what our worst touch point is, and our randomly assigned customer here, Cigna, has a billing extension of 64 days, more than twice that of the average. This would be a case where we could dig in and use Action Engine to automate this activity in order to improve the billing extension time. And once we do that, we can track our changes with Celonis, improving manual effort and the billing extension. Thank you so much for listening. If you'd like to have a demo or more information, please reach out to us at doculabs.com. Thank you.